Hi, beloveds. How are you? It's early in the morning for me, and my little deer neighbors are hanging out with me. They're helping me shoot this video. You see them back there? That's the mama deer and the baby deer, my little deer neighbors. They're always out here first thing in the morning to say good morning to me. So anyway, I wanted to talk to you about sharpening your saw strategically, okay? Again, it's early in the morning for me. I'm on my way to a conference. It's a conference for part-time teaching faculty that's sponsored by the college that I teach sociology at part-time. So I'm going to this conference to sharpen my skills in classroom facilitation, dealing with challenging people, and how to better serve those I'm teaching. And more. There's more I'm going to learn. And in addition to teaching sociology part-time, I help others increase their income and have more joy through spiritual career direction. I also support liberal faith communities with their human resources needs. I teach faith-based classes for adults, and I really enjoy guest preaching too. My point is that the conference I'm attending for one purpose is very transferable to the ministries that I work within. And so sometimes finding time and financial investment to sharpen your skills can be challenging. I know that. The conference that I'm going to, it's free. And it's free for me, and I'm actually receiving a stipend to attend. So it's a huge win-win for me and my employer that I work with part-time, teaching. So think about this. Does your employer offer any free trainings or workshops that you've been skipping out on? If you have, reconsider that. If it's free and you can do it on your work time, I say go for it. And I know you have work to do, but consider what your future may look like if you include professional development as your job, as a part of your job. It may not be on your individual development plan or on your list of goals, but put it on there. Make learning more your job. And if you invest in yourself as much as you invest in your employer and as much as you invest in the work you do day by day, you'll see a dramatic change in your ability to have more freedom in your life and accept the jobs you want and get more salary and just be better at the work that you do. And another thing, you can take the knowledge with you when you eventually leave, if you leave your job. So soak up as much free and paid professional development as you can. All right? So now that I've shared with you what you think about all of this, tell me what you think. I want to hear what you think about this. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. All right, beloveds, take care. Bye-bye.